Here I've got Realme 6S, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, just open the browser that you are using, then tap on the More icon, select History, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got basic and advanced options. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you have a few more, which are saved passwords, out of inform data, and also site settings. Obviously you can unmark if you would like to leave some stuff, but I would like to remove everything, so I will leave it all marked. And finally select the time range. So just pick the preferred time, in my case it will be all time. And finally click on Clear Data. Confirm that you would like to do it. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So this is it. This is how you can clear browsing data in your Realme 6S. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.